Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking fundamentals. Plug the Google Home into a known good outlet and watch the LED to confirm it boots. Once powered, make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi band as the speaker. Mismatched bands cause discovery failure. Open the Google Home app, sign in, and enable Bluetooth. This allows the app to detect the device. If you see a setup card, tap it. If not, force close and reopen the app to retry discovery immediately. Once the app recognizes your speaker, you'll either finish setup or need to reconnect. If connection fails, tell the app to forget the device, then restore it by scanning the code or following voice prompts. Next, reboot your router and modem. Power off, wait 60 to 90 seconds, reboot, then power the Google Home back on. This clears many DHCP conflicts. Make sure your router uses WPA2 and DHCP, and that AP isolation or guest restrictions are disabled so the speaker can communicate with other devices. To finish, either complete the app's final prompts to name the device and assign rooms, or perform a factory reset if it remains unresponsive. Model-specific button presses or pinholes will wipe settings. After setup, check the Google Home app for firmware updates. Install them while the device remains powered. If problems persist, observe LED patterns and error messages, then troubleshoot by trying setup from a different phone or using a mobile hotspot to isolate router issues. This narrows down whether the problem is the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.